You are viewing a Mosca TR3-C with a 900mm by 650mm arch. That's 36 inches wide by 25.5 inches tall. We have cut the corners on the guard that allows an extra 2.5 inches, 3 inches on the side. So it's actually about 39 inches of width. It allows us to get the maximum size bundle of corrugated through this machine. Machine has a factory press bar, which is a $3,750 option on a new machine. We have touched up the paint by grinding it, all the breaches in the original paint down to bare metal. We primed it with a catalyzed epoxy primer and then finished it with a coat of hardened urethane in a factory matching color. We've replaced all the bearings and all the conveyor rollers and the plastic transfer rollers in the assembly down below. So that's a total of about 56 bearings. They list from the factory at about 15 bucks a piece or so. We also replaced the bearings in the tension assembly, and around the head there's another 6 or 8 bearings in there. We put a new dry belt on it because that's something that's a little involved to replace. We had it all apart, so we did that at the time. Then we also went through the machine and replaced all of the proximity sensors. And proximity sensors are a switch that has a little magnet inside that slides back and forth, and if they get old, the magnet can kind of go sideways and catch. And this machine does not like it if it doesn't have a good positive signal from its proximity sensors. So we've replaced all of those. Those run about $110 a piece, so that's a very nice service to have done. The machine currently has 1.727 million cycles on it, and that represents about 17% of the machine's lifespan, maybe 20%, because these machines go 8-10 million cycles easy. So this machine has a very small amount of its lifespan used up. It's also been converted to use 5mm strap, which is a nice option that gives you the maximum amount of economy in the strap. Right now I'm using the manual start button on the control panel. We also have available at extra cost a factory foot pedal, and then there's also the electric eye that's used when it's in automatic mode. That's the press bar with the machine not in automatic. Now, the machine's in automatic. And as you can tell by the sound, the conveyors run very smoothly. This machine is probably a 9 out of 10, both mechanically and cosmetically. We've gone completely through it, full PM. The track has been completely scrubbed and oiled. This machine is ready for service. Thank you for watching.